Nigishanjama kiria gitigire andu aingi magegete thutha wa borithi kuhithukira ngari imwe iria ekuirwo acio mauma mwena wa Kariobangi.
Mimi nilikuwa kwa stage na ngojea ngari.
Atatu ao makihurwo rithathi na gukua hau guku eri makihota gwithara mari na nguraro cia rithathi. Hindi ya itharikira riri micinga eri ya muthemba wa pistol ne hithuririo undu umwe na ngari iria irekuirwo yuma ya kuiywo. Itharikira riri ricungiriirio ni Kuragwo kwa abitha umwe wa borithi mwena wa Kayole na mucinga wake kuiywo kiroko kia umuthi.
Mimi nilikuwa kwa stage na ngojea ngari niende kazi. Sasa nikaona askari mwingine anasimama hapo, daily nampata hapo amesimama. Anangojea sijui nini anangojea hapo. Sasa hao watu wakatoka kwa pikipiki, watu wawili walikuja wakashukishwa hapo pikipiki. Wakamtolea risasi, wakamwambia mmoja akawaambia huyu mwingine uwa yeye. Akampiga risasi ya kichwa, tena akamwongeza ingine, alafu akamnyang'anya bunduki yake wakaenda naye.
Kuringana na OCPD wa Buruburu Geoffrey Mayieki, arauga ekuiro acio ni amwe aria matharikire abitha wa borithi na mora na mucinga wake.
So I wish to confirm that today there was a shooting incident within Kuragwo area, whereby a police officer was reporting on duty, and as he was going to link up with a friend within Kuragwo area, he was confronted by 3 gangsters who were in a motorcycle. The officer was shot and was rushed by well wishers to a nearby modern hospital, where he succumbed to the injuries while undergoing treatment.
Mayieki ni uritie muingi ukorwo uri muhari-ini wa mbere hari guteithiriria maabitha borithi hari kuhurana na wikinai o undu umwe na uhaguku wa ugitiri. Mayieki ni augite andu eri ni maguraririo hindi ira maabitha a ugitiri makuhuranaga na ekuiro acio. Niongereire kuga ni maguthie na mbere na gwethana na ekuiro eri aria mahotire gwithara guku ciiko cia wikinai igithie na mbere na kugumira mwena uyu.
No, we are trying to find out the investigation is still on the process, and we are still working to catch up with them.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.